Welcome back to Shorts. Normally when we add a header, so we need to adjust this data set one by one, either by selecting the whole data set and then use the keyboard shortcut Alt OCA, or I can use the keyboard shortcut Alt HOI. Instead of doing this can happen only for the given data set for us. If I want to make them work better for me, then I will add this as a code here. So I'll come back to my view code here, and then I'm going to select my worksheet, and then by default I'm going to use the private subroutine worksheet function by target cell, and then I'll call this as cells dot columns dot autofit. This code allows you to automatically adjust the data set for us, and then when I just close the data set or the codes here, and I'm going to just remove the data set, then I'm going to call this as serial number. You can see automatically the data set is becoming a better, and then I'll say name of the item, and then I'll say quantity, rate, and sales turnover. So you no longer require to change the column adjustments for a specific dimension. The entire columns will be automatically converted into an adjusted column for us. This is Vinod signing out from myself Academy YouTube channel. This is another Shorts. Again, it has crossed the Shorts time limit. Thank you.